Hey, so yesterday I was out pumping up the tires on my trailer, and I have a Fortress oil-free pump. It's about 4 years old, and it popped in the middle of compression and lost all compression all the way down to like 20 psi yesterday. And I took it apart and checked it out, and inside of this cover, there's this hard copper line here, which is a compression fitting. And then there is a rubber hose crimped on or attached to this. And if you see right here, that's what popped and it busted. So these are compression fittings used in plumbing situations. They're PEX fittings, basically. So if you have PEX tools, and particularly this shark bite type crimp tool, so that that's what that is. And this is just a high PSI, probably reinforced rubber hose here. I'm not sure. My first reaction was honestly, it looks like a pretty janky kind of setup there. But my thought is this mitigates vibration, probably transferring to the fittings here, which is the reason they have this little rubber hose. So it allows some flex in the system. Not the greatest design. I think if I had a little bit more time, I would probably replace this entire copper line and put another compression fitting down here, a larger one. You can kind of see that you can get a compression fitting, you go straight to that. For the time being, I'm probably just going to replace it. This has lasted 4 years, so I think it'll probably last another 4. So if you haven't run into this problem, it's probably what it is. Okay, so I was able to slip this off. So you see this has got a barbed fitting right here. The hose had disintegrated right around the barbed fitting, but you kind of see this is a sleeve, just a sleeved rubber hose. I actually probably have enough hose left over after I cut it to actually just kind of bend this loop a little bit and actually put it back onto the barbed fitting and recrimp it. So let's try that. Okay, so I just took a little bit of the excess off the tube there. I actually am not going to use one of these compression fittings because I didn't have any of this size. What I actually did have were some of these fuel injection clamps. They're made for high PSI applications, such as high pressure fuel injection systems. They're actually probably just as capable, if not more capable, than these are. You can kind of see, you can actually rotate these fittings around. I don't know if you can see that. You can rotate these fittings around. No such luck with this. You cannot rotate that around. So this really grabs on really well. So we're going to plug it in and check it out and see if it holds pressure.
A few moments later.
Okay, so everything's all done. It pumped up all the way up to 175 psi, much faster than it has been pumping. So that tells me that has likely been leaking for a while. So I hope this was helpful. Leave in the comments below. Let me know if you got yours fixed, and thanks for watching.